Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today I'm over at 42763 Timberline that we just listed for $1 million. So come check this great place up in Castle Glen out. Okay, here we are at the street, 42763 Timberline Trail. Great views of the valley. So we've got a little upslope right here for the driveway, but you could easily fit like 5-6 cars on the driveway and then another 2 inside. So your property line is going to run along where this fence line is, which happens to be kind of in this bush. So maybe somewhere around here. In this area, I'll be able to show you from up above a little bit better from down below. So we do have a really beautiful landscape around here. They've done a good job keeping it kind of like desert-scaped with the rocks, easy maintenance, low maintenance. And then you've got like this little walking path, which we'll walk around shortly to see underneath. But my favorite thing about this home is this deck. And because of this deck, you get some really incredible views of Gold Mountain, Baldwin Lake, and the deck actually wraps all the way around to the back, and you get Bear Mountain views too. The deck was just recently touched up. You can see how clean it is. Check out there, you got views of the dry lake, kind of like the edge of the airport. This is Gold Mountain over here. And then a little bit further, we've got Baldwin Lake right there. But it's kind of nice to be perched up top over here. So I'm going to take you this way after the tour of the house. So one thing to note is that we do have covered walkway parking, covered walkway so that you're not getting like snow, ice, trekking things in. Don't have to shovel this part of it. Also, the owner has gone through and put like the pigeon barrier up there so you're not getting any nests. And then the paint is actually in really good condition as well. So let's go on inside. I'll just kind of pan around real quick before we get into it. So this is a single-story home. You got a nice big closet right here. Coats, shoes, board games, whatever you want to put in there. Tools, but you do have a garage for the tools, so I'd recommend doing that elsewhere. So one special feature of this house, not only do we have central heating, but we have air conditioning, which is very rare in the mountains. Get a door stopper. So here we are in the main living room, tongue and groove on the walls. And we have dual pane updated windows. And check out this bay window. So much fun with a lot of storage underneath that you didn't even know you needed. Oh. Just a great area to sit down and relax. And these are actually like super cozy. And good extra seating in the living room too. This one has been used as a second home for many years. Would make for a good primary home, secondary home, or a great vacation rental. So here we have the gas fireplace. You do have the starter right here. It is not wood burning, but you could probably convert it to wood if you wanted to. And then this beautiful stonework done on the fireplace. And then of course the log mantle that everybody loves in Big Bear. I really like these areas because this becomes a good area to put like your internet, Wi-Fi, everything like that. And then firewood down below. You could also just double it up and just do both. Lots of good lighting in here too. So here we have the green carpet, the evergreen carpet, and then also a laminate wood flooring. So it's kind of just, those are the two floorings throughout the home until we get to the bathrooms. Love this beautiful tree. And then here we're gonna see the end of the wraparound deck, but I'll get you to that shortly. Here we have the tile kitchen, super clean. Nice wood cabinetry. Updated appliances. Nice dual sink. And check out the views back here. Like, you have a beautiful view of Geronimo right there. Here's an island with plugs for internet, laptop. Be able to sit up here, come escape for the week, and just work if you want to. I don't know who would want to do that. But here we have a large pantry, really deep. These shelves are movable, so you could make this a broom closet if you actually wanted to. And here we have the water heater. This one is a 50 gallon water heater. Looks fairly new. And then here in this bathroom we have linoleum flooring. So just a little half bathroom off the main living room and kitchen area. So we have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths that we're looking at. Here we have closet space. This is actually the plans to the house too. So that's kind of a neat little thing to be able to keep once you purchase. A little hog closet and the intake for the heater and air conditioner. So let's start, actually, we'll go into the first bedroom. It's kind of just used as a guest bedroom. As you can see, we just got a day bed in here. But we have, I love that they just do 1 accent wall, because sometimes 3 walls of this just tends to be too much. But look at those, like, the beautiful colors in it. We have a closet, which every bedroom needs a closet. And from here, I'm going to take you into the master. It's a king size bed, so you could easily get like a cow king in here if you wanted to. You've got a very large space, but this bed fits in here very appropriately. And then same thing, we've got the wood burning or gas fireplace. You could change it over to a wood burning if you wanted to, and then that same rock fireplace with the mantle too. And in all the bedrooms we have carpet, and then in the master bathroom we have tile. So here we have Nice walk-in closet. Good shoe storage too. And then his and a hers closet. Get these lights, brighten this up in here. So here we have the access panel for the spa tub. Super clean, jetted spa tub, tiled all around. You've got a nice privacy window, kind of glossed over. Got a his and a hers sink surrounded by tile. Each of you with your own medicine cabinets. And this is a great feature. This is kind of like a tiled rug. So it's got some texture into it so you don't slip on anything. Very central to the middle of that. Kind of a pony wall blocking the toilet. And then of course the shower. So then from here, we will go to the third bedroom. And in here, we're looking at a queen bed, but could easily get more in here. You could actually get a queen bed in here and a bunk set over here if you wanted to. We can carpet in here as well as carpet in the closets. But the carpet's in such good shape, like why change it? If it's not broken, don't fix it. So here, going down the hallway, we have the laundry room. Good sized laundry room, vinyl flooring, lots and lots of storage. And then this is going to be access to our attic. And the laundry can stay with the home. And then here we have the full bathroom that is shared with the two bedrooms that do not have full bathroom. And then tile. And then a kind of plasticky tub. And then obviously the garage that you can see from when we pulled up. So you can also do a lot of storage up here, like if you wanted like kayaks, things like that. Hoisting bikes up, that's another thing that you can do. But I love that the concrete is beautifully finished. And then you also have it drywalled in here, finished off. And then here we have our Costco fridge for all your extra items. Storage, 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 storage. And then from here, we're gonna go outside. So you have two access points, one through the living room, one through the master. So let's, for the sake of it, go this way. And you've got gates on both edges so that you can keep a dog or a kid in. And then I don't think I pointed out, but the roof, a really good shape, also finished off so that you're not getting pine needles in the gutters. And this whole area back here is just not developed on back there, which is really nice because you don't have neighbors right behind you. Property line does go a little bit further out. And then here's where you get that Geronimo Bear Mountain ski slope view. You just kind of feel like you're up above all the neighbors, and it's just so well maintained. And so here's where I was going to show you on this side, our property line is going to go out towards like a bow. So it's going to go out that way. So you've kind of got this corner out here to do something with if you wanted to. What would be kind of cool, I don't know why you would, but you could do some stairs leading down if you just wanted to be closer to the dirt, that kind of thing. Easy access to be able to maintain anything underneath the home. But this is also a nice flat level entry area. So you could do a lot with it, like horseshoe pit if you wanted to. You could do a little cornhole out here. Lots of options. So again, 42763 Timberline. Beauty, beauty. 3-bed, 2-bath, 2.5 bath, and just on the market for under $1 million. Let me know if you want to take a look. You get a great breeze through here too. Like you can see my skirt flying with the wind. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.